Hello, my name is Jack Freedman, the creator of Freedmanss QuickQuote. Before you download my program, let me show you how to create up to 6 proposals from your existing templates, including PDFs for printing and emailing, all in less than 3 minutes. Okay, let's get started. At the top of the page, select the Add a New Quote option, and then click Next. Then fill out the contact information below and click Next again. Then on the bottom of the page, click Add Proposals. Then select a proposal type, then click Next. Select Add Proposal Group 1, click Next. Then from the drop-down, select Mixed 3-ton Gas Furnace, and then Add All Packages. Then go to the top of the page and select Print Options, then Print Menu Options, then select Print Menu 6, then select Financing 9.49. You've just created 6 proposals from your existing templates on a menu-style format ready for your presentation. At this point, you can either print out or email. Click Email at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, click Close. Go to the top of the page, select Print the Proposal, select your financing rate, select Pending, and then Print. And that's what the proposal looks like. For more information, you can call me at 877-535-1173 or online at www.hvacproposal.com. Just remember one thing, it's all on how you package. Thank you.